Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the September Sew Sampler. I apologize for how late this unboxing is. My box actually came 3 days late again, so it took a total of 6 days to get to me. It's been this way since June, so I think at this point I'm just going to be okay with like the new norm. And then also we went to the beach for a week, so it kind of came like right in that first day that we were at the beach, so it's just been a while now. It's October 2nd, but let's get started. When we open our box, we have this pamphlet. It says Rustic Autumn. On the back, we have a code here for 20% off of Olfa products. And then if you go ahead and scan this code right here, you'll get the tutorial for this pattern. And if you scan this code, you'll actually get the free pattern itself. Next, we get this in the box. This just tells us the contents of the box as well as the pricing. I'll go through later and total up what the contents of the box were versus what we actually spent on this box. First, we have these Olfa Endurance 45mm rotary blades. It says cooler weather means more cutting time in your sewing space. The Olfa Endurance 45mm rotary blade by Olfa cuts effortlessly for twice as long as standard blades and retains its sharp edge for an extended period of use. There will be no more cutting it close with dull blades with the Olfa Endurance blade. And this retails for $14.98. And this is perfect timing because my rotary blade is getting very dull. Okay, next we have this Easy Press pen, and this says the Easy Press pen and Easy Press solution is precisely the duo to mix into your sewing. This solution stiffens fabric like starch or starch alternative for precise flat seams. Fill the pen with the solution as directed, then press the pen nib against your fabric to release the solution. Let it dry and enjoy crisp, flat seams after pressing. And this retails for $8.98. And what you do is this is actually filled with the liquid solution already. You go ahead and press along your seams and then go over with an iron. And then here's some refill for your pen. And this is not something that I think I will use. One, I don't really use starch or water or a best press or anything like that when I press my seams. I have my husband's grandmother's old Sunbeam iron from probably the 60s, and that thing is just a miracle worker. I love it. I actually don't know what I'll do if it ever dies on me. Our next item I think is super cool. This is Bits and Bob's sewing tray, and it's also a fat quarter shop exclusive. We got it first. This sweet sewing inspired tray is a perfect accessory for your sewing table. This notion is exclusively found at Fat Quarter Shop and is sized to fit scraps, scissors, rotary cutters, and more. Simply snap the corners together to set it up, then pull it open to store away flat. It is cute and convenient storage wherever you need it. And this retails for $12.98. And so what's really interesting about this, I'll snap it and show you how it works, but on the Sew Sampler members only Facebook group, I saw that somebody actually recreated this. So they just, made their own pattern, put it against fabric, and then you can, double up the fabric to make it sturdier, maybe put some stabilizer in between. And then I have a cam snap press when I used to make cloth diapers for my daughter. So all you need to do is just put cam snaps here in the corners, and you can make your own if you want to make a fabric version of this. And maybe I'll do that myself. Maybe I'll just make a pattern and then do a little tutorial online. But there's your cute little dish. Very cute. Says sew on and so on. So there you go. Next we have this Dawn on the Prairie jelly roll. This is by Fancy That Design House for Moda Fabrics. It says usher in autumn with a rich array of fall hues and luscious leaves. Dawn on the Prairie by Fancy That Design House for Moda Fabrics offers the perfect respite from summer's heat with woodsy browns, golds, and greens balanced with mellow pinks and teals. This 24-piece jelly roll includes a generous sampling of all the prints, from confetti dots to whimsical floral sprays, and invites you to fall in for a quick forest frolic. And this retails for $26.98. And I think it's really fitting that we got jelly rolls for our September box because it was actually National Jelly Roll Day last month. Okay, next we got the Grove Quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. And this says, create a quiet, rustic retreat no matter where you reside. This Sew Sampler exclusive quilt pattern is a peaceful design that features jelly roll friendly fir tree and cabin blocks. Perfect for the junior jelly roll included in this month's box. And it retails for $9.98. There are limited finishing kits available at fatquartershop.com. So it looks like this quilt measures 64.5 by 66.5. And then you'll need these requirements for the quilt. Okay, we also have this month's Press Flowers Quilt Along block. This is block number 6, and this is called Anemone. and it retails for $4.98. Okay, so I went ahead and added up the total box contents, and it came out to about $77, give or take a couple cents. So we made it quite a bit. I want to say that the sew sampler is like $34.95 or something close to that with shipping. I can go ahead and put it down below so that you know for sure. And then if you'd like to subscribe to the box, which I believe there are actually openings now in Fat Quarter Shop, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box as well. And as always, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe so we know to continue making them. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your week.